Hello guys, welcome back to my new video. So today's video I will show you beautiful room decoration. So let's start without wasting any time, and also let's start the video. So you can see I hope you all are doing good. So let's start the video without wasting any time. So you can see the picture, you can see the beautiful decoration and all, the roof and all very beautiful, the floor and all looking very good and very beautiful. And you can see this one also very beautiful. You can see the pillows and all looking very beautiful, very creative, very good, also very nice. Also the decoration in all white color theme, very good, beautiful. This one also very beautiful. You can see the swimming pool and all looking very beautiful, very aggressive, very cute, very good looking, very nice also looking. You can see the swimming pool and all very beautiful. You can see this one also the beautiful things, the up roof you can see looking very good, very nice. Also you can see this one also very beautiful. You can see the fire and all looking very beautiful, very cute, very good. Also you can see very beautiful looking. You can see the looks and all very good looking, very beautiful. Also you can see this one also the beautiful place. You can see beautiful things. You can see the beautiful place, the decoration and all. This one also very beautiful decoration. You can see the lights and all very good, very look. And you can see this one also very beautiful. You can see the up you can see, and the lights, lamps, very beautiful lights and lamps, very beautiful decoration, black color theme, black color, good things, very beautiful. You can see this also very beautiful. You can see the lights and all very beautiful, flowers and all good looking, very VIP, very good looking, very expensive also, very beautiful. You can see this one also very beautiful, the floor, the lights and all very beautiful place. You can see this one also beautiful, the up you can see the umbrella, and down the floor with wood color, and the pillows and all blue color, very beautiful, very good looking. And you can see this one also very beautiful. You can see the the lights you can see, and the down you can see the pillows and all very beautiful. This one also very beautiful. You can see the this one the inside the house and the outside very beautiful, very good also. You can see this one also very beautiful. This one also the down you can see the chain, you can see this one also. You can see the building and all very beautiful, very good looking, very nice. This one you can see the lights and all, beautiful lights and all. You can see the lights, and the down you can see sofas and all beautiful, very beautiful place. You can see this one also very good. You can see the up, the lights and all, beautiful lights and all very good also. This one also very beautiful, the black color theme, very beautiful, very good, very beautiful looking. You can see this one also very good, the black roof. You can see the beautiful place. You can see beautiful things. You can see looking very good. This one also very beautiful. You can see the decoration and all very good. So I hope you like this video. So if you like, so don't forget to like and subscribe and share it with friends and families. So thank you for watching. Have a nice day. Love you all. Wait for the next video to come. Thank you and goodbye.